got it on video, buddy. Is it down?
Oh, it ain't a spike.
No, it wasn't. She got a good look at it. I think I don't know if the camera will show it or not. Don't you hope I got that on?
No, it's not a spike.
I have got just the gun for that, Keith.
Shot the damn head. What do you need a gun for?
Yeah, you're right. Congratulations, Cassandra. Nice kill.
Thank you.
All right. These other dogs are coming in now. Let's try to catch dogs as they come in. Cassandra has SKS'd one. Here comes 4 beagles. I'm going to shut the camera off. And help catch dogs. There she is. The hunter.